Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Perched on the doorstep of the Caribbean Sea with direct views to the famous Pelican Bar is this exceptional 4-bedroom villa, ideally located in a trendy part of St. Elizabeth Parish, namely Black River, just half-mile northwest of Treasure Beach. The villa offers an airy interior, provides a separate dining room, large entertainment spaces, and two first-floor bedrooms. Upstairs also has an expansive living area, a second kitchen, and two bedrooms, all of which has balcony access, which opens up to the sea. Host an alfresco party in the tranquil backyard or on the sand, which features a large quiet haven where you can really relax. The large lot of 19,583 square feet offers plenty of room to play. Be prepared for love at first sight. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is US 750,000 or Jamaican $115.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.